Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 30th of April 2018. Okay guys, first of all, I was really not thinking about a very simple day today, but however, most of the signals have went in our way that we have predicted in the morning. Okay guys, so this is the report that I have sent to the subscribers in the morning, and guys, there is a good news that I have added two more pairs, which is Euro USD, Euro JPY and AUD JPY in my list, and now the trading signals are 10 signals, full day trading signals in my report. Okay, now let's get started with the Euro USD. So this is the first signal of my signals report. I have supplied the clear bearish trend in case of Euro USD from 1 to 1254. The level is already drawn on the chart, and you can see that today we have a drop and it has hit the targeted price that I have supplied in my signals report 120662. So guys, hopefully you must have caught the profit on Euro USD drop today, because it was a very easy signal. However, I was not expecting a such easy day with forex trading. Okay, now let's talk about another signal that's hit as per the signals report is New Zealand USD. I have supplied a clear bearish trend from 070701, and you can see a significant downfall on the pair, and it has already hit the targeted price 070429. So guys, if you have traded the first two signals of my signals report, that you should be in very good profits, because these both signals have hit the targeted price that I have mentioned in my signals report, and this is a huge gap, and this can give you a lot of number of pips as per the signals report. Okay, now let's talk about another signal which is hit as per the signals report is USD JPY. USD JPY was bullish from my side. I have supplied the bullish entry from 109178, and you can see the bullish entry is already break few hours ago, and now we are almost going to hit the targeted price 109464. So guys, those traders who have taken the buy positions from here, they should be in very good profits, because there is no case about losing on this trade. Okay, one more thing guys, I just want to talk about the only signal that hasn't come to the entry yet, so I'm just giving the signal here. So Great Britain pound USD with a bullish expectation from my side. So if it breaks anytime 137769, then you can buy the pair. That's what I have suggested to my traders, and the targeted price is 138541. And I was talking about the fourth signal USD JPY, and we have already reviewed that signal, and we have already given the analysis for that particular signal. Now let's talk about another signal which has this is the fifth signal of my signals report, and it has hit the targeted price 075595 was the bearish entry from my side on AUD USD, and the targeted price was targeted price was 075356, and you can see that right from the entry 075595 it has made a bearish pattern and then hit the targeted price 075356. So those subscribers who have taken the trade on this pair, they should be in very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about USD CHF 6 pair that has hit consecutively, and today the most important thing is that you know that the gap in between my signals is quite huge, and today most of the signals have hit the targeted price, which is a very good option, because I'm hopeful that most of the traders must have caught massive profits today as per the signals report. So bullish trend was supplied to subscribers from 098817, and the targeted price was 099178, and you can see that today from the level that I have given, it has hit the targeted price, and hopefully you people must be in profit. Okay guys, there is a losing trade at my side. You know that I do not talk about the losing trades, but I'm just going to talk about here because it hit my signals perfectly. I had closed the trade late at my side, but however, if you have traded as per the signals report, then it already hit the targeted price 128724. I have supplied the bullish signal from 128470. You can see you can see this is the entry as per the signals report. It has made a bullish pattern right from here, and in the 4 hours the market hit the targeted price that I have supplied in my report 128724. However, the signal was closed late at my end. That's why you can see a losing trade. However, I am hopeful my traders must have caught the good profits on that pair. Okay, another ongoing signal. So this signal hasn't fully expired. I have just giving a review here. Great Britain pound JPY with a bullish expectation from my side 150356 was the entry, and you can see the entry is already broke, and it's now on to the way towards the targeted price 15511773 is the suggested targeted price at my end. So guys, if it continues the bullish pattern like this, then it can hit the level 151173. So scalping is done on Great Britain pound JPY, and result is on the screen. Okay, now newly added pair, that's Euro JPY. I have added this pair today so that I can provide you with a better range of trading currencies. So with a bearish expectation 132357, and you can see a significant drop on Euro JPY, and it has almost came near to the targeted price. However, if it continues the bearish pattern right from here, then it can touch the targeted price 131866. But those traders who have taken the trade as per the signals report during the early session of the day, then I suggest them, if their trades are in profits, they need to close their trades. That's enough with selling the pair. We have already taken a lot of profit on Euro JPY, and that's too much because this is the most volatile pair. At last, I'm going to talk about the AUD JPY. So guys, bearish expectation was supplied from 82532, and you can see that the market has kept, first of all, it breaks the entry, and then it went up to, let me put the trend line, 82412. So those subscribers who have taken the sell positions right from here, they should have taken the benefit from this downward rally, and they should be in very good profits. So guys, it was a very easy day with trading. We have done extremely well with the signals, and hopefully those subscribers who have made the profits, I just recommend them to please send their screenshots or send their that you people have made some profit with using my signals, and I will share on my Facebook page. Moreover guys, about the trading system, those subscribers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Sell in the top red boundary, buy in the lower red boundary. You can see that first of all the market was down, you have taken a buy position with confirmations. What the confirmation is called, seek for at least couple of bullish candles. You can see the market has moved up. Once it came into the top red boundary, then you can sell the pair with confirmations. Without confirmations, no trading system is going to help you. So confirmation is the important part, and I have explained the concept of a confirmation in the delivery when I send the trading system in the orders. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. Hopefully you people must have enjoyed the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get the trading system that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype 1-to-1 live coaching, then you need to email me on info@200forextips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.